Hey everyone, Shawners here. Welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna start our first actual ad based on the targeted audience that we already have. So the first ad we're gonna run is going to be an ad that sends the traffic to our landing page. The landing page that sends people directly to the offer. So this ad the audience of this ad is going to be people who already watched our video. So these are people who are familiar with the channel and with the video itself. So these are people who already watched. Remember that small audience that we did, 300, 400 that I just created? That audience, we're going to run an ad for that audience only. Alright, so let's get started. So let me just bring this up. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to that is to obviously from the audience section or wherever you are in your account, click on the part that says create ad. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to click on this, send people to your website, and let's give it a campaign, give it a name. I'm gonna call it golf product. And here we're going to click on the custom audience. Okay, and we're going to click on golf video data. Take a look. So we got 400 people here. That's the audience we want to target, and you leave everything else alone. Okay, so you might already have the country target, but everything else you don't have to touch anything because this is a really specific audience already, so you don't really have to do anything else. So next is you want to choose the placement. Okay, you click on edit placement and you want to choose you don't want to do Instagram or audience network, and from the Facebook you want to choose feeds. Okay, so the only thing you want to choose is a Facebook feed, nothing else. Okay, and the daily budget is going to be $5. I'd rather start with $5, see how the ad is doing, and then increase and do more in future. Again, all I'm trying to do is to make sure that people who have a limited budget are going to also be able to do this. So start with low budgets and see how it goes. So we're going to optimize for link clicks and leave it to be automatic, and everything else is fine. That's it, everything else is fine. Just you click on continue and you're going to create the actual ad in here. So you're going to click on single video because that's what we're going to do, and then you click on the browse library to choose the video that we already have. Let's find that video. Or actually I don't think I see the video here, so I'm just going to upload the video. So basically if you want to see the videos, when you click on browse library, as you see the videos right now, you need to make sure you choose the right page. I mean, I have a bunch of pages, so when I choose a different page it's going to show my videos from other pages obviously. So make sure to choose the right page. If you have multiple pages, click on browse library and then choose the right video. So in this case I'm just going to choose this one and select, and we don't have to do anything else. So just let's add a website URL, and the website URL is going to be my landing page, right? So this is the landing page that we created. I did some small changes. I changed the background as you see, and I obviously fixed the timer because you want to make sure this timer is working, right? So let's copy the URL and just put it in here, and let's give it a headline. I'm just gonna put this as headline. Text is going to be this. Let's use convert case to make it sentence case. Okay, there you go. It's better. And the call to action is going to be learn more. And display link, we don't need to do anything. Actually, the display link, I'd rather put this as my display link, right? The target website. So this is the display link. It's going to show it here. Let's add the newsfeed description. Okay, I'm gonna get the description from here, because remember guys, make sure to use the content from the landing page of the product. Don't try to create your own content, because for one, you're going to waste your time. Two, you're going to you might mess it up, you know, because these pages, these product owners, they test a lot to make sure to see what works and what doesn't work. And what you see here is the best version possible, you know. So whatever you see here probably converts really, really high. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? So let's copy this and put it in here. Okay, so that looks good. Perfect. That looks really good. Alright, so everything is ready. All you gotta do, and you can actually check out and see how it looks on the mobile phone, and looks perfect. Alright, so all you gotta do is just click on place order and wait for Facebook to approve your ad. Let's wait for it. There you go. That's it. Alright, so that's for the first ad. Okay, so basically what we did is we created an ad based on the audience, based on the people who watched our video, right? So people who have seen my videos on my page, those 300, 400 people are going to see this ad that is going to promote that product. So if they click on that, they're going to see my landing page, and after they sign up on a landing page, they're going to see the product. Okay, so that's really important, because these are people who are already engaged with my content. So we don't need to really test them and to see if they are interested, because they are obviously interested. So next video we're going to run an ad for the actual lookalike audience, which that one is a different kind of ad, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.